Hi everyone, I'm Rick with UCI. Today I'm going to show you the basic step-by-step process for using the most efficient solution for RFID tracking of assets with rough wood surfaces. It's the Sundog RFID Tagging System. Now be sure to push those like and subscribe buttons so you'll know when we bring you new videos. Let's get tagging. The Sundog system is the most effective way to help you manage inventory of assets such as logs, utility poles, loads of lumber, pallets, and other wood products. The system will speed up your inventory tracking process, can help provide real-time information, and eliminate manual inventory tracking problems. To use the Sundog system, you'll need the Sundog Tags, either our pneumatic tool or manual hammer tacker, an RFID reader, and software for inventory data analysis. Now this is a full strip of collated Sundog tags. The collation allows for quick installation and continuous use. The Sundog system provides the fastest installation on the market. This is just one of the many features that set Sundog tags above all other RFID tags. Now these tags are made with an aerospace grade polymer that's very durable, and as you'll see in a moment, they're engineered to attach to rough wood surfaces securely and easily. Each tag has an ultra-high frequency RFID chip embedded inside, and each chip has a unique ID number. So when a tag is attached to an item, that item then has a trackable identity. Now there are two tool options designed for use with the Sundog tags. The pneumatic ohmer tool for RFID tags and our manual hammer tacker. Both tools are powerful and effective for driving Sundog tags, and each has its own specific use case. Now if you're tagging in high volume, we definitely recommend the pneumatic tool. And we can even offer a portable CO2 system for situations where compressed air is just not available. Loading the tags into the tools is quick and easy as well. Looking at our pneumatic tool first, make sure that the antennas are separated and folded back slightly. Next, you get the leading edge of the tags, insert them into the magazine, then you'll grab the pusher, pull it all the way back, and then slowly allow it to recoil. Your tags are now loaded. In the manual tool, again, make sure the antennas are separated and slightly bent back. In this one, we're gonna pull out the pusher here. We'll insert the tags into the top, load them in there, and then push the pusher back into place, and it's spring-loaded, ready to go. Now let's drive these tags into some wood logs and see just how fast and easy it is to secure them into these rough wood surfaces. We'll start by using the ohmer pneumatic tool. But before we insert our tags, we need to really consider how deeply into the wood we want to drive them. The drive depth really depends on the hardness of the wood, and it can be adjusted slightly by changing the air pressure. Your air pressure should set somewhere between 70 and 100 PSI. I've got the pressure settings on this one around 90 PSI. When attaching the Sundog tags, it's ideal to bury at least half the crown. They quickly adhere to the wood and create a bond that ensures quick and secure attachment. When properly installed, they'll not fall out, nor can they be pulled out. Now let's look at the performance of the hammer tacker. It's not as powerful as the pneumatic, but still very effective in cases where volume is not as high. It may not drive as deeply, but the tag still will be securely attached. The very first time you use the hammer tacker, you're going to need a few practice swings just to get the hang of it and feel for the technique. But it's still easy to master. Now these tags will stand up to the heavy winds of high-speed freeway transport and extreme weather conditions. We've seen tags covered in ice that still read at respectable distances. They will withstand extreme heat, such as kiln drying of lumber and water bath cooking for veneer logs. So we've gone through the proper ways to load the tools and drive the tags. Next, we need to scan our newly attached tags and then input key characteristics into the scanner. These characteristics will be related to the unique number of each tag. In our next video, I'll walk you through those steps. I'm also going to provide tips for getting the best read range from your scanner. Click the link in the description to view the next video, how to get the most from your Sundog RFID tag readings. If you found something helpful in this video, please let me know in the comments. And while you're at it, like or subscribe so you don't miss out on other helpful videos. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to speak with you. Thanks for watching.